p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Talmadge or near Akron, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Kent, Talmadge, Streets, Rural, Mogador, Springfield.
You know what to do? Up it.
You there?
Large hail, storms, wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Portage, and Summit.
Hey, bitch.
This is NOAA Weather Radio